Hey guys, Mason here and welcome back to another video on Stepford County Railway. So today I'm going to be driving the Class 802 on Airlink from Airport Terminal 2 to Stepford Central. Now we're going to do this express kind of way, so it's only going to stop at Airport Central, Airport Parkway and Stepford Central, something like that. Let's have a look at it. So we're going to be stopping at Terminal 1, Airport Central and Stepford Central. So anyway, let's just get into the video starting at Terminal 2. See you there.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Central. We will call at Stepford Airport Central and Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Airport Central. Shortly be arriving at Stepford Airport Central. Change here for trains to Leighton Stepford Road and Airport Terminal 3. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Is Stepford Airport Central. This train is for Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Central. Come on board this Airlink service to Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Central.
Does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform edge. Approaching Platform 8 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Be arriving at Stepford Central. Change here for trains to Beachley, Benton, Stepford UFC, Stepford Victoria, Whitefield, and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
The train now standing at Platform 6 is the 1731 Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, and Stepford UFC. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Okay, so there you have it. It wasn't 4 stops, it was actually 2 stops. It was just Airport Central and Stepford Central, so we missed out Terminal 1. Which I thought might have happened, because I think Stepford Terminal 1 is only 1 platform. But yeah, so I feel bad for that one person that got on at the end, because I literally just despawned. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, bye.